trying to stand up and walk now. Hey, you're dripping on them, Lex. Okay, Lex. They're almost walking, see? Okay, girl. The first one to do it was a little guy. Huh. Chơi mà số ca. Em. It's okay, Lex. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Let's see him. Look at him, big guy. Lay down, Lex. I know. I love you too. Lay down, dummy. Little guy go. Lay down, Lex. These two fat guys, they don't want back to sleep. He's not the biggest anymore. Look at that fat turd. I don't know if that's the boy one or the girl one. You're going the wrong way, dum-dum. I said, Mama dripped all over you. Huh. Lay down, Lex.